my name is Vasant Patel and I am from Ahmedabad. So first thing, Manoj ji guided so beautifully, so wonderfully about just to be with your breath, breathing in and breathing out. It was totally, whenever commentary was going on within, then of course, yes, I could connect with my originality. And once I am in my originality, it's very easy to communicate and receive the answers. So this vibration level is very, very important. So once I am in tune up with this particular frame or vibration, then of course it's very easy to receive it. So I asked one question about my company and I got the answer there. You just be. Thank you.
My name is Meghna, and as suggested by Manoj, I was looking at the trees and I started talking to the tree, and I was like, everybody, I'm developing this module on personality, which is why, which is the reason why I came to the camp. So I was thinking that every personality is beautiful. I mean, look at the dragonflies, look at the leaves, look at the trees. I mean, everybody exists beautifully with each other. Everybody does what they're good at. What am I going to teach, in my personality class? Because each person, each child is so beautiful, is so wonderful. And I never seem to have any suggestion, for the child to improve or for the child to... I mean, of course, I have a rubric, I do follow. But I feel each child is so beautiful by herself or himself. What am I going to teach in personality? So it didn't come to me. And then when I was looking at the tree told me, don't advertise. So I was like, yeah, this is amazing. मतलब मैं advertise भी नहीं करूँ, मैं क्या बनाऊँ वो भी नहीं मालूम. And it just came to me that look at me. I'm standing here, the butterfly is flying. Okay, why do you think I'm standing here? Okay, you're standing because you're happy standing, the butterfly is happy flying, the trees are happy. So that's it. I just have to teach the child to be happy. That is what came to me. And I don't have to advertise. So I'm just thinking what I'm going to do. And then, no, I have to finish. Just 1 minute, just 1 sec more. 1 sec. Okay, then I was carrying that bucket. Okay, when I was carrying the bucket, I was trying to, okay, do I hold it this way? Do I hold it this way? And then I was like, I can hold the handle also. So I guess, something will come out.
My name is Rishi Viljadi. Chota. This process was like an open air meditation for me. And whatever answer I got, I just took it as the truth, like Guruji is telling me. Like how Manju says, you do one thing, the whole thing, you follow the same pattern again and again. And I could see my pattern of after every desire we seek for Ananda, but before completing the desire we are like focused on the outcome. So we are always finding solution to overcome the issues as quickly as possible. So even in my sadhana, like that 1 hour uliya had become half an hour, maybe 20 minutes, or the segment training that the whole minute I should cut short with, I love you, thank you. So everywhere I try to use my brain. I am only going far away from that, my desire.
My name is Arun. While I was walking traded path, I was not aware of my steps. But when I went deep into the forest, I was aware while stepping out my foot. I was very much aware because it was restricting my speed while walking the rough path. But while walking the traded path, I was unaware of my thoughts.